Morning. Aap logo ka swagat hai. Dhanyawad. A very warm welcome and thank you again for being with us today. It's an honor for us to have you here. I'm going to be the host today. So my name is Eric. I come from France and I'm fortunate enough to be part of our brilliant Indian team here. ArcelorMittal Building Solution is entering India. We've been here for a while already, but we are growing out footprint here in this great country. So now we are in a process of increasing our footprint. And we are here today to unveil new products that will be produced in our plant in Mangao, 2 hours roughly from here. First of all, so I would like to just tell you what's going to happen today, what's going to be the program. So first of all, we will have a safety demonstration. Safety is very important by Mandar sir here from the hotel. Then we will have an introduction of our company by Mr. Amit Kumar, who is our MD. Then we will show you all our products and unveil the products. We'll have a presentation done by Surab and Akshay here, two brilliant members of our very good sales team. Then obviously we'll unveil the products with you because we want to show some presentation and so on, and then you will see the products for yourselves. And you will be able to touch them and so on. Then we will have a question and answer session all together. So feel free to ask any question you might have, either in Hindi or in English, or in Gujarati for some of you who come from far away. And then we'll have a networking lunch, so just next door. And after that, we'll go to our experience center in Seawoods so that you can see more products and touch them, have questions again. And so we're here for you. And again, thank you for coming. No company can succeed without its customers. So it's going to be a common journey. It's going to be obviously our success, but we want it to be also your success. And that's the whole point of being here today. So let's enjoy the day together. Dhanyawad. So Mandar sir, please.
Namaste all. Welcome to Courtyard by Marriott, Mumbai. This is Mandar, your security safety officer. Our hotel is equipped with latest fire detection and prevention system. In case of any emergency, our public address system will be taking care of all situations. Do not use the elevators, just move outside the banquet. You have 2 staircases going down to the ground level. Just meet at the gate. There is our place to meet over there. And any emergency medical emergency, we have 1 kilometer at D.Y. Patil Hospital. Anything else, sir? Any questions? Thank you. Have a great day.
Dhanyawad. So I would like to invite Amit sir to introduce our company and say a welcoming word to all of you. Amit, please.
Namaste to all of you. Thank you, Eric, to make an effort to speak in Hindi, and now also probably you catch some word today in Gujarati. So good, thank you all of you to be here today. It's really our proud moment for us that once we start our new plant in the coming months, it's important to know what's going to come out of that new plant. So here we are today to showcase you our new set of products. Of course, you know us. Many of you have already collaborated with us. So you know who is ArcelorMittal Construction India. A few products are there in the market. And what are the next set of products going to come? So as we aspire to bring some changes to the building envelope industry with this initiative of ArcelorMittal in India, so we want to do something different than what conventionally we have been using in the building sphere. So here today you will experience some different set of product, but it's not only by look. So I'll encourage you during the day today to know us, to question our experts, and because every product has a science, an engineering behind, and there is a why behind, why it brings and what attribute it brings to the end customer and to the building. So it is not only when we look at a building, we don't look at it only from the first capex point of view, that what will be the cost of constructing such building, but we look at it also from OPEX point of view, that how much cost will be there to run the building through to its product life cycle. So that's the purpose of today. So my job here to introduce you a bit about ArcelorMittal and then ArcelorMittal Construction, as probably the name ArcelorMittal as such is known to you. But then where are we, who are we, what we do, because ArcelorMittal is a big company. So you have to know who, where we belong, what we do, etc. So to start with, first of all, throughout ArcelorMittal and also ArcelorMittal Construction worldwide, safety is our first priority in whatever we do. We do it with care. I mean, even our products, and I'm very happy to discuss today, our first product, 39T, which was launched in Gujarat, this has brought in a lot of safety to the operators who are there mounting on the roof. So safety is at the core of whatever we do, whether it's product design, but at back end also in our plans, in our processes, to make sure that whoever gets associated with us is fully safe and feeling in a comfortable environment, so that the association is much deeper than one can imagine. So safety is our first priority. To start with safety, it is there's a pride to say that we continue to decrease our safety accident rate worldwide. Throughout our plants, we operate in many countries. We operate in mining, in difficult, geographical areas, but safety remains the passion for each and every employee from top to bottom. In numbers, ArcelorMittal ArcelorMittal Group, as such, we operate in 15 countries. We serve our customers in 129 countries worldwide, more than 125,000 employees. As you see the numbers, I don't have to repeat the numbers, but it's really a very, very big group working on values and ethics, bringing services and solutions to the end customers all over. We learn from everywhere, because not each country is different culture, different product needs, customer demands, etc. So we learn from every country, and that helps us to always bring products for the future. Then ArcelorMittal Construction India initiative in India, where we belong actually in the whole, let's say, universe of ArcelorMittal Group. So actually we are part of ArcelorMittal Europe. And in ArcelorMittal Europe, then first part is then steel making. The steel making, then you have two types of steel, flat and long steel. But then you have downstream segment, which is, as you also in India, you see that Tatas and Jindals have some downstream facilities. So what does it mean downstream facility? That it is not only producing steel, also developing the applications of steel and making steel as a first choice of preferred material when it comes to building industry or any construction also. So we belong to that downstream segment, and as you can see, downstream segment, it comes then various business divisions where the steel, the primary source is raw material is for us the flat or long steel like HR coil or organic coated coil, color coated coils. But from there, the downstream segment takes those as a raw material and then convert them into final products, which you will see around you today, how a coil is then transformed into a building product. So there we belong to those downstream segment. In terms of size, downstream segment will process, we say process, not produce, process around 10 million ton in a year as such in terms of capacity. Now coming to ArcelorMittal Construction Global, so we are around 2,600 employees. We have sold around 70 million square meters of building products, envelope products. We are present primarily in Europe, but of course we are then also coming to India now, with first site already running, second site will be open very soon. So history goes back, I mean, it's a new beginning for us in India. But our history for this business division goes back more than 100 years. We started in 1912 with first plant in France, and from there we grew step by step. So the purpose to show to you this map is that the products which we have in our product range, I mean, what we are today going to discuss is first few tip of the iceberg, but the product depth which we have, whether it is roof, cladding, or floor, or any other applications when it comes to building, is very wide. It has been years of innovation coming from different, innovation comes from the end use. If the end use from different segments, whether it is agricultural, commercial, or industrial, end use, how the end customer can benefit in terms of product attributes, also in terms of total cost of the building. So the product innovation pipeline is very deep. Every year we invest a lot in developing new products. So our history is long, and our experts have all those knowledges to also tap what is the need in India market. So the products which we have selected, first few products, is based on our study in India, what will bring added benefit to the end customers. Based on that, we are launching products here, but whatever is there, it will take at least 15 to 20 years of journey to make, let's say, we can say India product range is same as European product range. So meaning 10 plants, 15, 20 plants will be needed eventually and that's the aspiration we have, to grow with all of you, to follow this journey and bring something new and fresh product in India. So that's what the thing. So the last one is a good thing that AMBS, ArcelorMittal Building Solutions, have entered. We have entered India now. This is a bit of same view where we are. We are in India, almost every country in Europe. We are going to enter soon in US and Brazil. We are already there. So, and then we have aspiration also to further develop our footprint into Southeast Asia. That's our global footprint. I think many of you have already been to our experience center. This is one of the photos. This afternoon, you are all invited there to see our product range displayed there. Many of the products lying there are not yet launched, but we can serve them from import, meaning from Europe. But we are ready to give you the full range of offers. And then first plant in Mumbai is operational now, and the second plant in Mangaon, which is going to be unveiled along with these products somewhere in, let's say, August-September timeline. So that's a bit about that. While we talk about bringing new products and so on, so as you know, steel is a carbon-intensive material. We are very mindful also how we can bring the carbon intensity on the per square meter of our products continue to come down. So we have those vision and we have those initiatives which will help, and versus already 2018-19 we have already reduced, now is this 7% is almost 10%, but then another action plans are launched, how we can reduce our own carbon footprint first of all, meaning what we emit through our process, but at the same time, as I said, that each of our product has EPD, Environment Product Declaration, which helps to certify the greener buildings and so on. So we have those technical data sheets which will eventually help to calculate the footprint of the building and how we can reduce that with our products. So whether it is fire resistant, thermal properties, etc., energy consumption reduction, everything comes into play when you say that the total carbon footprint of throughout the product building life cycle will be this much, and then how we can reduce it with our products. So we have those initiatives, and each product will have those details we will benefit. As we talk about sustainability and so on, but you understood that we also innovate a lot, as I already spoke. So this is a bit of numbers with our projects, meaning several CapEx projects, which we do to bring innovative products and processes. And as you can see this pie chart, where our future is going, because R&D is not talking about today, R&D talks about future. So we think we have good set of building products, but we already think, and you see the big part is how we can reduce the carbon footprint of the building maintenance and buildings to come. So big part of the R&D is going there. But then photovoltaic, solar, new renewables, these are the trends these days. So we invest a lot in renewable, bringing in renewable products and photovoltaic products. We have solar cells glued already on the sandwich panel. This is the first. We won the European Innovation Award last year. So that's the first initiative in France that will help to put the solar cells at the time of roof making itself. So that's a innovative roof which we have launched recently. And then, yes, as I said, product pipeline, that is new offers, prefab, because why prefab is important? Because more and more labor shortage, I believe in India also is the case. I mean, many states are facing huge labor shortage. So we have initiated a lot of products now, launched some products where the installation time can be less. So efforts are being put in there. So you will see some of them later on through the product slides. So what I wanted to give a message today here with this slide is that R&D is focused in already developing the next 15, 20 years. That's the company we are. We are not here to sell off-the-shelf product. We are here to work with you to see how the building as a living entity and how we can bring better products to the building and how the overall cost can be reduced, and not only capex and opex. So that's what our sales approach is, and that's what our team will be working together with you. Yes, ArcelorMittal organization. So all of us are here around you. I mean, you can see the team here. I don't have to name them. Do I have to name them? But a lot of people are here. Some of them also supporting us from Europe. Basically, they are part of the key team to bring this technology transfer from Europe to India. Some of them are already here, Peter and Eric. But then we have other key members who are supporting us in different fields as such. So that's very nice. Our family is growing. 2 years back, we were one person. Now we are more than 40, I think, right? 45 already. So the family is growing, and we aspire to become 10,000 people in one day. So every 10, 10, 10. Okay. So with this, I think the introduction is finished. So I hope you will have good time. Please feel free to interact and to ask questions. This is a moment to know about us, but also know about our products which are going to come. Thank you so much.